Well, I didn't expect the comparison between the two settings of the Runcam5 Orange of these two quad is such a drastic difference. As you can see, I have put in one Runcam5 Orange here, and all the settings are the same, are identical, except that I have put the resolution of this quad here, digital quad with Galaxy Vista, to 1440p60, and for the analog quad, which is running on the Rush Tank, I set this one to 4K p30 XV. XV means extra vertical height. And the color scheme, after I apply the same color grading, is so much difference. The one that is running on the the 4K video P30 has a much vibrant color, whereas the one running on the 1440p60 has a lower color, lower graded color. But the second difference is that I was using ND16 filter for this quad with the 1440p60, and I was using ND32 for the 4K P30 setting. All the other settings are the same. Okay, as you can see, I have shared here. They are all the same except for these two settings. So I presume it could be that the P60, which is running at 60 frames per second, when it's doing the auto shutter, it does not go below 1/120 of a second, because 1/120 is already the minimum that the shutter speed can go for the kind of frame rate. And for this quad, which is set to P30, I believe the shutter speed is able to, even though it's set to auto, is able to go as low as 1/60th of a second. So it could be that because of that, the color scheme is much clearer and more vibrant. I don't know, but this is just my assumption on how this firmware is done on this Runcam5 Orange. Anyway, if you like these videos and then this kind of video of comparison, do subscribe to my channel so that you can receive notification on future videos. I believe these two quads flew pretty well today. I put the same tune in it, so after using Chris Ross's method of tuning, it is flying perfectly, and there was no prop wash, and the motors were not terribly hot, and they are great basically. So thank you for watching again, and have a nice day. Bye bye.